guys, thanks for joining me today. So in this video I am going to show you how to take those very hard scratchy lace on the synthetic wigs. I'm going to show you how you can wear it more comfortably, sew that lace down so it doesn't irritate your scalp anymore. This is very quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that in this video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Sensational Empress lace wig. This is Paula and the color is 1B. And I did remove the lace from this wig, guys, and I wore it one time, but the lace was irritating my scalp so badly I couldn't wear it. I only wore it once and I couldn't wait to get home to take it off. So I took it off. This was about a month ago, and then I just put it in the package and I said, you know what, I really want to wear this wig. So I want to sew down that hard scratchy lace that I'm showing you right now, that edge. Oh, it's just like a razor blade sometimes. It's just so irritating. I'm going to sew that down. I'm going to show you how I do that so that I can wear my my wig. So this is the edge. This is what it looks like without the lace. It looks nice. It looks neat, but it's very hard. It scratches at the scalp. So I'm going to show you how I deal with this. What I like to do is just take that raw edge, that rough edge, fold it down, because what we're going to do essentially is just sew this edge down. So this is a better view I'm showing you. We're going to fold it maybe like 1/8 of an inch, fold it down, and then I'm going to use some pins to hold it in place. Now if you want to, you can use any pins you like. I'm just using whatever pins I have available. Usually my wig making pins I'm going to be using, straight pins. So yeah, I'm going to be using those, and I'm just going to go around the whole edge of this lace, fold it in about 1/8 of an inch, and then pin it down. And you know, I like to take my time when I'm folding it over, because once I start sewing, the sewing is going to go really fast. And so yeah, so if you're going to do this, if you want to try this on your wigs, just take your time, because it's going to go really fast anyway. So you're going to fold it down and just pin it. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to continue folding it in about 1/8 of an inch, not much. You don't want a big fold. You just want to just get that raw edge just folded under, and then you just want to pin it down. And as you can see, I'm just kind of loosely pinning it down. But it's pretty much going to look like that, guys, when you get it all pinned down. You want to do that all the way around the length of that raw edge. Just get it pinned down. So now I'm going to be using black thread because my wig is black. And you want to use regular sewing thread and a sewing needle. You don't need anything special. Just thread your needle. Don't make the thread too long, because occasionally a long threaded needle will get caught in the comb, or it'll get caught on the pin, the head of the pin. So you want to just make sure you don't make it too long. Now whatever sewing method that you know how to do, use it on this edge. So I'm going to show you maybe like 2 different kinds right here. I'm just pushing the needle from the inside of the fold towards the outside. And you can do whatever sewing method you know. There's no right or wrong with sewing this down. So here I'm using now more of a traditional stitch, keeping the stitches very, very short. Don't make them big. You want to keep them small, because you want to be able to have the lace lay down very neatly. You don't want it to be bulky. And as you can see, my thread got caught in the comb. That's why I'm telling you guys, don't make the thread too long, because it will get caught. Just take your time, and yeah, it goes fast. For me, it takes maybe like maybe 10 minutes to do this. And really, really easy, really quick too. Again, like I said, sew in any way that you know how to sew. Just sew your edge down. It's like hemming. That's what we're doing. You can use a hem stitch if you like. And yeah, just keep your stitches nice and small. Don't make them big, because you don't want the thread to be seen through your wig on the other side. You know, you want your stitches to be nice and small so they will be invisible. And that's it, guys. Just keep doing that until the wig is completely sewn. So I speeded it up, as you can see, because it's no point of doing it, you know, just stretching it out. So at the end of the sewing, I want to show you guys how I put the wig on and then blend my own hairs out and around the wig to make it look really nice. Actually, I think it looks better than just having the lace there. You know, it just looks so much better. I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done. That took about 12 minutes for me to do, and as you can see, it's nice and flat. It's not bulky. Keep your stitches short. It won't be bulky. So now I'm just going to just show you it again very quickly, nice and neatly sewn. And now I'm going to put it on and just show you how I blend my own natural hair out now, because it's no longer a traditional lace front anymore. It's kind of folded under. As you can see what the fold looks like in the front right here. Doesn't look bulky, and it looks nice and neat, and it still feels flat. And I'm going to just take a little bit of my own natural hair, just flick it out from under. You can use your natural hair, your pressed hair, you can do anything you want. Have your hair any way you want, and just blend it over if you like. If you don't want to do this blending method, you can use a scarf, or you can leave it as it is. I think when you blend your own hair out a little bit in your own hairline, it looks so much better. It looks so much more natural. And so now I'm just going to just style it up a little bit, get it into place. And here I'm just using a little bit of the olive oil clear gel just to hold down my edges. You can, if you have your edges, nice edges, you can just design them up any way you like. I'm just using mine, just spreading it out a little bit, and just tapping away that shine that the gel leaves. And then that's it, guys. Quick and easy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.